You feeling okay?
What?
Can I help you with anything?
I threw up.
Okay.
Mommy, can I play with your phone?
What?
Can I play with your
Ay,
phone?
hijo, déjame en paz. Déjame dormir, Ronnie.
I want to play on your phone.
You know what? Here you go. It's wet. It doesn't work. Nothing does. Okay? Okay? Okay?
Hey, buddy, what's up, man? How's it going? Listen, can I get your help with something real quick? I need to tie some knots in this rope. And you know, I could use a finger just about this size. What do you say? You get some rest.
Thank you.
How's he doing?
Probably not gonna kill him. Let's look.
It hurt. Hang in there, buddy. Hey, you, so you do a lot of camping?
No.
Mostly, whitewater.
What?
Oh, with the raft, I just figured that you got outdoors a lot.
What is this, an interrogation?
No, not at all. No,
Well, you just think I want to get to know you or something?
Listen, look, hey, man, he didn't mean anything.
And what's it to you?
Nothing. I'm just trying to find a little tranquilo, okay?
Okay. Hey, relax, man. I'm just messing with you, all right? What's your name?
Phil?
Are you asking or telling?
It's Phil. I'm Phil. It's Phil.
You sure?
Yep.
All right, Phil. Relax, man. I'm messing with you. I'm Greg.
Oh, okay. Oh, should we?
Yeah.
I thought. Wait.
Okay. Why are you holding my arm?
I felt the moment. It's totally wrong. Impulse was. Yep. I don't know why I did that.
Call CQ, call CQ. This is Pam Cushing, NOAA Space Weather Director. 20 megahertz, looking for a fixed station or a digipeater to respond, copy. Call CQ, this is Pam Cushing, NOAA Space Weather Director. 20.01 megahertz, looking for a fixed station or a digipeater to respond, copy.
Grab spars, hooks, and poles. I need people on every side of this boat. We're over buildings and houses. We're miles in from the coast. If we founder on a roof or hit a building or something, we're sunk. Understand?
What can I do?
I need people with poles on the bow and the aft. If they see anything, push the boat away from it. This is vital.
Okay, got it.
You had oars in your raft, didn't you?
Yeah? For paddling.
Well, we could lash those together, maybe.
Great. All right, Phil and Greg, you guys make sure the oars are long enough. All right, go.
Come on.
Earl, Rob, each of you take a pole and get topside.
All right. Here. Oh, here's the oars. Oh, duct tape. Okay. Well, here, give it to me. I got it. Extend them. Okay, just hold it. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Nice.
Keep your eyes peeled and steer clear of any obstacles. Got it?
Got it.
Great, go.
Should I just hold it? Oh, you got anything? Okay.
Got one! We're going over a